Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up parental controls on your Amazon Fire device to ensure your child's safety while using it. Follow these step-by-step instructions to customize the settings according to your preferences. Step 1. Access Settings. Begin by unlocking your Amazon Fire device. From the home screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to reveal the menu. Tap on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Step 2. Select Parental Controls. Scroll down the Settings menu and find the Parental Controls option. Tap on it to enter the parental control settings. Step 3. Enable Parental Controls. You will see an option to turn on Parental Controls. Toggle the switch to the right to enable it. You will be prompted to create a password that will be required to access certain features. Make sure to choose a password that your child won't guess. Step 4. Set up Restricted Profiles. If you want to create a specific profile for your child, go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and select Profiles and Family Library. Here, you can add a new profile by tapping Add Profile. Follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Customize content restrictions. Once you have set up a profile, go back to the Parental Controls menu. Select Manage Content Restrictions to customize what content is accessible. Here, you can restrict access to apps, videos, books, and games based on age ratings. Step 6. Control in-app purchases. In the Parental Controls menu, you can also manage in-app purchases. Toggle the option to require your password for any purchases or downloads made through the Amazon App Store. This will prevent unauthorized transactions on your device. Step 7. Set time limits, if applicable. If your Amazon Fire device supports it, you can set daily time limits on usage. Go back to the main Settings menu and look for Screen Time or Screen Time Management. Adjust the settings as needed to limit the amount of time your child can use the device each day. Step 8. Monitor activity. Regularly check the child's profile and the activity reports, if available, to monitor what they are engaging with. This can help you stay informed about their usage and adjust restrictions if necessary. By following these steps, you can create a safer environment for your child on their Amazon Fire device. Parental controls are an essential way to ensure that your child can enjoy age-appropriate content while staying protected from unwanted material. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.